You know, when you walk into your kitchen, you think, what am I going to prepare for dinner tonight? Well, I came up with this really cool recipe: onions, garlic, butter, of course, ground turkey, lots of protein, and spinach. And then I threw in some cayenne pepper, a little taco seasoning, this garlic sauce, which is amazing, some soy sauce, and voila, a little bit of rice. You've got yourself a delicious meal, and it's easy to make and very nutritious.